Senator Mohamed Tahir Monguno. I represent Borno North Senatorial District. I hereby move that the Joint Committee of the Senate and House of Representatives on Communication do approve the NCC budget of 2024. I so move.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. The name is Obed Shehu, and I represent the constituency of Gombe State. I hereby second the motion as heavily moved by my colleague. I so second. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I read through your CV when you came for your confirmation, and I was very impressed with your background and all that. I hope you bring your Midas touch, as they call it, to bear in making sure that this sector is well regulated and all that. Just that one issue, which is to do with emergency numbers. Emergency numbers. Just like you, I lived in England for many years, and I traveled all over the world. I still don't understand why you cannot ensure that we have one emergency number nationally. It could be 222 or 111. Or, look, let me tell you, when people are faced with emergency, nobody remembers 080 or to call any other number other than, but if you have those 3 digits nationally, it will save so many lives. You know, like in England, if you have a situation and you use your last breath to dial 999, in 5 minutes, 3 emergency numbers will respond to you. They will locate your position. Police will be there, fire service will be there, ambulance will be there, all linked together. So is there any way you can, if you can do this during your time, I'm sure it will be well appreciated by Nigerians. Because we're in a very difficult time in Nigeria. Many people need to know who to contact. It's not everybody that has phone numbers of CPs or IG or DPOs. Ordinary Nigerians should be able to have a number that is integrated within a system that will serve everybody's interest. Thank you very much, Chairman.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
National emergency number. Yes, sir, we do. It's 112. It works, sir. Let me even.
That is not true. It's not working. Chairman, I think the publicity is low. If it's working, then Nigerians are not aware.
Hello?
Mr. Chairman, my colleagues, I remain on 4G. This issue that the distinguished senator raised is a very, very sensitive and important issue in a country where
dial the number and somebody answered. So all the NCC need to do is just to make publicize it.
It's okay.